bit of a life update for y'all. I'm finally getting officially kicked out. My host parents told my co-teacher that they would like me out ASAP. Don't know why. It's fine, it's whatever, I'm over it. But they have found me an apartment. It's not quite ready yet as it doesn't have a bed. So this evening, I'm all packed up still, thankfully, but this evening I will be moving in with Carolyn for a few days, maybe Tuesday at the latest, and then from there I'll move into my apartment. Yeah, I'm thankful I'm packed so I can move quickly. I feel bad to impose upon Carolyn, but she has been very kind. She offered her place to me. Originally they were going to put me in the girls' dormitory here on campus, which would have been an interesting time, but I'm very thankful to Carolyn and her letting me stay with her for a few days. But anyway, we're moving out tonight. I will keep you posted.
Well, I guess this is goodbye to my room. It's been a nice about 2 months, but we're moving on to bigger and better things. Peace out.
You got it? Okay. There you go. That one's a bigger one. Let's go, go. Fighting. Ignore how I look, but I'm in my one-room apartment. Yay! After everything that's happened, I'm so excited to be here. I spent the weekend at Carolyn's and then went to school today, Monday, and my co-teacher said that the place was ready. So after school today, got all my stuff from Carolyn's. My co-teacher took me over in his car, we unloaded my stuff, and then I went to Home Plus, which is kind of like a Target maybe, it has everything. And I got the essentials for now. Don't ask me how much money I spent. And yes, all of it is pink. But so I just got back from doing that. I haven't really been in my house much until now. So I'll give you a quick tour. This is just the preview. Nothing's set up, nothing's unpacked, but I'll show you around. Oh, front door, obviously. There's a light here, but I think it needs new batteries because it's supposed to be motion sensor, but it's not on right now. But right to the left, we have shoe closet and probably other stuff closet. And then right in front of you when you walk in is the wet room or the bathroom. So this will be where I shower, use the bathroom, get ready, everything like that. Hello. Front door. So then to the right of the front door is my room. There's nothing here yet. I need to order some furniture. I will just buy it at Home Plus, but I don't feel like moving it here, so I might just get it delivered. But I have my bed. I'm pretty sure this is one of the dorm beds from my school, but I bought some pink bedding for it. And then AC. Thank goodness, I'm very hot right now. But I have a little kind of porch type area with my laundry machine and then an area to hang dry clothes. Nice big window. The views are okay. I'll show you maybe when it's daylight. But my kitchen over here, fridge. I'll probably buy maybe something for storage over here because there's only so many cabinets. But anyway, that's the room. I'm super excited to be here. I need to start unpacking, although I'm pretty tired, so that might be a tomorrow thing, but that's the place.